MOJO on the beat.
Bro, it's ugly hot. This heat is disrespectful. You ready, girl? We gotta find the homie though. He's coming.
Hey, what's up? Where you at?
We getting off Lincoln, the one right now. We'll be there in like 2 minutes. Where you at?
What happened?
I said we'll be there in like 3 minutes. We getting off the freeway right now to get on the PCH.
Well, cool. Well, we're right here just having a drink, like, at the end of the pier. So just hit us up when you're ready, like, by the pier and shit.
This is, Rebecca, this is where you like to cause the accidents in Grand Theft Auto. In that tunnel. Yeah, he should be here, almost. Or here. Sorry, y'all not a bike. I'm about to stop everybody right now. After this truck. Oh, right now. Right now. Right now. Oh. So we gotta pay in this. Let's just go to the next one in the park. Oh yeah, boy. You good, Kobe? Where you at? Where you at? I'ma stop. Alright. Bro, go. After. Go straight. The next one. Wait, no. Can we go on this one? Wait. Yeah. There. I'm about to go right there. Go right in the yellow. Watch out. Good. Yeah. Go to the left a little bit. Yeah. What's up, bro? Hey, I'm gonna send you the pin. The pin. Cause we're off the PCA. I think you're just a little bit further. We're actually by the actual pier. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna send you the pin. What? I hung up on accident. Alright, we gotta catch the homie. He's about to be coming on his ZX10R.
What's his name?
It was?
Yeah.
You recognize it?
Yeah, same guy.
Oh, what's the deal? Oh, I was with you when I met him, huh? Haha. They've been trying to find each other for 20 minutes, like this. Just like this. From a mile away.
Look to your right. See me?
I see her. The one on the phone right there? How should not see her?
Sunny.
I don't like hot fruit.
Why not? Oh, fruit?
DJ Rebecca.
How's it going? I'm DJ. Nice to meet
Hi, Sunny. Likewise. Let's go meet up with.
you. They really this close. I'm mad.
That's what I'm saying.
They really up here by the rise. That's just. I didn't even think you can be up. I don't even know how to get up here.
You gotta go, I think, down to Santa Monica.
What's the deal, bro?
Jordan, Sunny, Becca.
What's up, DJ?
Young deal.
Chill.
Excuse Kobe. What's the deal, man? DJ. Got the impacted stunt.
It's just so sexy, ain't it? Stretch a little bit.
You better stretch the booster.
He got a nail in his tire, so.
For real? Isn't that no air's leaking, right? It's cool.
A little bit, but I got a plug. I'm gonna
okay.
plug it up.
Saw you there and I thought, oh my God. Bro, it's stupid cat.
Really?
Hey, how cold is the water, bro? Come on, Slowpoke. It is fat right now. Oh my god, bro. My socks are dry, that's weird. Hey, check out the water. How cold is it? It's warm, bro. No. I swear to God, it feels good.
Cold, it's fucking hot right now, bro.
It feels good.
It's hot right here.
A lot of people.
Yeah, that weather's probably empty. That weather's badass because I got some big ass waves. Y'all know how to swim? Y'all know how to swim?
Cold?
Yeah.
It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It ain't that cold though. Bro, what, bro? We just gotta. Oh, bro. Hey, no. I gotta run it. I'm gonna top off.
MOJO on the beat.
Oh shit.
Ride this bitch. Bro, I rode that bitch. Yeah, so we following this guy right here, and he's about to die of thirst.
MOJO on the beat.
Yeah. Let's go. Is he here? Is he behind us? Oh. I like the, what's it called? Blue Icy Charge? No, what's it called, man?
The blue one, if I like that. Not icy.
What? Yeah. Hey, does it feel good? Does it look on? I know you see the light beeping. Is it beeping? Hey, it is, but you don't understand. Oh my! It's the right one, right? It is.
No, I'm gonna switch it. Can you switch it, baby?
I don't know which one.
The light blue. That's what you want. You told him icy charge.
This is blue though.
No, somebody said.
Thanks, man. It's called Glacier Freeze, so you don't forget the name, Rebecca. Glacier Young Freeze. Young.
You gotta go back so far.
I know. You really have to lay down.
Hey, don't like laugh. You'll bust off your fucking helmet.
Bro, I know. If he bursts out laughing, he's done. Hold on, babe. That was the best one I did with you on the back, babe. He getting better. Ha ha! Ha ha! He's trying to get better. Huh? I couldn't really see. Now I want y'all to give me your money. I'm sorry. Hey, y'all trying to turn around now? Yeah. Or what? Keep going or what? We probably far. We pretty far now. We in Malibu deep. The backpack heavy or it's been okay?
It's okay. It's better than
I didn't do that.
Turn the wheel straight.
Yes, fuck that. How come you never let me take a picture on your bike? You see that shit?
Yeah. Do it again?
You see me do that shit?
I need to smoke now. Damn.
Those are the credits. Put that in the credits.
Oh, he's behind the scenes. What happened? You do anything custom?
No, I didn't do anything yet. I want to get levers, and then I don't know. I kind of want to change the exhaust, but it came with it.
That's clean.
Yeah, I know. And I
let you mean.
The exhaust, and this is like one of the best sounding ones too. So
Yeah. Clean. Like low miles too?
Huh?
Low miles?
Yeah. When I got it, was like 16. Wasn't bad.
Lead the way. I'm waiting on you, young kid. Back. And we just picked up some McDonald's fries. And we're gonna call it a day for us. It was a good day, crazy day, hot day. But, oh, where Kobe at? Oh yeah, I was wrapping it up. But yeah, if you guys made it to the end of this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Thank you.